Have you ever tried creating a story with AI, but found it challenging to keep your characters looking the same in every scene? In this video, I will show you how to fix that using the Zine AI Consistent Character feature. This tool allows you to design a character, train the AI to remember it, and then generate multiple images where the character stays the same in every scene. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use this tool to create a full story with consistent characters from start to finish. No more random changes in hair, face, or outfit. Just a smooth, professional-looking animation. I will also show you how this tool can be used for social media. For example, you can create realistic Instagram model posts where the person looks the same in every picture. This can save you time, improve your content, and even help you make money. So let's get started. Okay, today we are using Zine AI's new character tool to create a consistent character for our story easily. This tool makes it super simple to generate the same character in different scenes with a few simple steps. First, click the link in the description to head over to the website. Once you're there, log into your account. After logging in, click on New Project to get started. Now here, give your project a name. Next, select the aspect ratio for your project. I recommend choosing 16:9 because it gives you more space to work with. Now, on the left sidebar, you will see different tools, including text-to-image, image-to-image, character, AI video, AI editor, and more. Click on Character. In this character section, you will find three important features: Consistent Character, Character Sheet, and Insert Character. We'll use the Consistent Character tool to train the AI to remember our character. To do this, we need to create a preset with multiple images showing the character in different poses. But before that, we need to make those images using the Character Sheet tool. This tool helps us create different angles of the character, which is important for training the AI properly. First, you need to choose an image style for your character. Zine AI offers a wide range of styles, including realistic, 3D, portrait, anime, and many more. You can pick any style that suits your story, but for this example, I will go with Flux 1. Next, describe your character's appearance in the prompt box. Include details like age, gender, hairstyle, facial features, and outfit to get the best results. Now, go to our Discord server, copy the provided prompt, and paste it into the prompt below. This step is important because it helps generate 4 different poses of the character, which will be useful when training the AI model. After that, select the 16:9 aspect ratio and click Generate. It's a good idea to create 2 or 3 images and then choose the best one. Here are my results. As you can see, the character is generated in 3 different views: front view, back view, and side view. This is very important for getting better results when creating a consistent character. Having these different angles ensures that the AI understands the character's full appearance, making it easier to generate accurate and consistent images in different scenes. Next, you can train your character in 2 different ways: manually or using the auto method. First, I'll show you how to do it manually. Start by double-clicking the image to move it to the canvas. Now, click on the Layers tab on the left side. Here, you need to duplicate the image 3 times since we have 3 different poses. Now, click on the first image and select the Crop tool. Make sure not to crop it too tightly, leave some space around the character, then click Done. Next, click the eye icon to hide this image. Now, select the second image, click Crop, adjust the crop area as needed, and click Done. Repeat the same process for the third image. Once all 3 images are cropped, select any one of them and click Fit to Content to properly align it. Now, click on the Download icon. Here, you can choose the file type or upscale the image, but I will leave it as the default and click Download. Follow the same steps to download the other 2 images. Now that we have our character images ready, it's time to train them for a consistent character. Click on Consistent Character, then select Choose Character. You will see some default characters that were previously created. To create a new character, click on New Character. Now, give your character a name and upload the 3 images we just downloaded. Once the images are uploaded, click Train. The training process usually takes 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Once done, you'll have a fully trained character that you can use throughout your story. Now, let's create the second main character for our story without doing it manually. First, go to Character Sheet, select your preferred style, and enter a prompt describing the character's appearance. Once you're done, click Generate. When the image is ready, you can create more variations by clicking the Variation button. This will generate similar versions of your character with slight changes. Go through the images and select the best one, making sure it includes all necessary views, front, back, and both sides, to get the best results. If you want to train your character automatically without manually cropping the images, click on Build Character. This will automatically split the images into different views, so you don't have to do it yourself. Now, enter a name for the character and click Train. Just like before, the training process will take around 20 minutes to complete. Once both of our characters are trained, we can start creating our story using them. To help with this, I used ChatGPT to generate my story scene by scene. Now, go to our Discord server and copy this special prompt. This prompt will help us structure our story scene by scene. You can also modify it to fit your needs. Now, paste this prompt into ChatGPT and let it generate a complete story for you. As you can see, the story is now broken down into 13 shots, meaning we will create 13 different animations to bring it to life. Now, let's start creating our first shot. In shot 1, you can see that the featured character is male cat. So, first, copy the text for shot 1 from ChatGPT. Next, go back to the consistent character section. Here, select the character cat male from the list. You can either type the action and scene manually or simply paste the description you copied from ChatGPT. Just make sure to remove any unnecessary details so that the AI focuses only on the important parts. Now, select the aspect ratio and click Generate. Here's the result. Our character is sitting on the coffee table, looking exactly the same as the one we created earlier. Let's try another scene. Copy the text for shot 2. In this scene, the featured character is the female cat. So, we will select female cat from the character list, paste the scene description, and click Generate. Here's the result. You don't need to manually add character details. Just select the character, write the scene and action you want, and let the AI do the rest. One important thing to remember is to always add a background description at the end of your prompt. This is to keep the background consistent throughout the video. If you don't specify a background, the AI might generate a random one, which could affect the scene's continuity. Now, what if both characters appear in the same scene? Zine AI has a feature for that too. It's called Insert Character. This allows you to add multiple characters into a single scene with just a few simple clicks. To do this, first, create an image where both characters are featured. Don't worry if the characters don't look exactly right at first. We will fix that in the next step. Once the image is generated, click on Insert Character. Now, select the lasso tool and carefully outline the area where you want to insert the character. This helps the AI understand exactly where the new character should be placed. Next, choose the character you want to insert from the list and describe the action or scene in the text box. Once everything is set, click Generate. And here is the result. Amazing, right? The character looks the same as before, keeping consistency across all the scenes. Using these same steps, you can create all the images for your story. If any scene features multiple characters, just use the Insert Character feature to add them with perfect accuracy. Now, here are all the images I created for the full story. As you can see, every character remains consistent in every scene, making the visuals look smooth and professional. Now that all the images are ready, it's time to download them all. Next, I'll show you how to animate these images using Zine AI's AI Video feature. From the left sidebar, click on AI Video. Here, you will see all the latest AI models available in popular tools like Kling 1.6, Minimax Hailuo, Luma, Runway, and Zine AI's standard model. For now, I'll choose Kling 1.6 to animate my images. Alright, to make the animation more detailed and realistic, I created a special ChatGPT prompt that helps generate animation descriptions. This prompt will help describe camera movements, facial expressions, and character actions for each scene. I will share all the prompts in my Telegram and Discord server so you can easily access and use them. Here's how to use it. Copy the prompt and give it to ChatGPT. Then, paste each scene one by one, and ChatGPT will generate an animation description for that scene. Once you get the description, copy it. Now, go back to Zine AI's AI Video feature and upload the scene image you want to animate. Paste the animation description you just copied and set the duration for the video. Once everything is set, click Generate to create the animation. Repeat these steps for all images to bring each scene to life. And here are the results. Pretty amazing, right? Now, download all the animations, and the final step is editing using CapCut. I've already explained this step in detail in my Robin Hood story video, so you can watch that for a full breakdown. I'll also share the final result video link in the description, so you can see the complete animated story I created using this method. Now, let me show you how to create realistic Instagram model posts while keeping your character consistent across every post you share. The steps are almost the same as before, so let's get started. First, select the realistic style from the style section. I'll choose Dzine Realistic V2 for this. Next, give a detailed prompt to describe your model character. If you need help creating a detailed prompt, you can always use ChatGPT to guide you. Once you've finished your prompt, click Generate. Create 3 to 4 images of your model, and then pick the best one for your post. After selecting the image you like, click Build Character. Give your character a name, and then click Train. Once your character is trained, head over to the Consistent Character section and choose your newly trained character. Now comes the fun part. You can give a simple action and scene. For example, I typed, model taking a selfie. Look at the result. Brilliant and very natural. Let's try another one. I typed, taking selfie with friends. As you can see, the character stays consistent across both images. If you want to change your model's clothes, you can do that too. Just update the clothing details in the prompt, give the character a new action, and click Generate again. For instance, I changed the clothes and gave the action character cooking in the kitchen. And here's the result. Again, the character looks the same but in a new scene. With this method, you can create any type of image for your character while keeping the look the same in every scene. This is really useful if you want to start an Instagram page or any project where your images need to match. It helps make your posts look more professional and well-organized. And that's it. Now, whenever you need a new scene, just come back, choose your character, describe the action and background, and generate. It's that easy. Training your own AI model is the best way to make sure your character looks the same in every image, and this tool makes it super simple. Try it out and see what you can create. If you need help, join our Discord or Telegram group. You'll also find all the prompts we use there, so you can use them too. If this tutorial helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.